Hey, what's up everyone? This is Yuvraj Singh and you are watching Handsome Coding. Well, in today's video, we'll be covering this pattern coding question, which is some of the most favorite question in the interview. And also, the reason why interviewer asked this question is to check your logic building. Well, it's all this are all the pattern question that you must have come across from your school levels, your college, or any interview. So it's all is a game of looping, right? If you're familiar with the for loop, while loop, I mean any of these loops, you're familiar with this with all those loop, then this is going to be quite easy for you. Well, in today's video, I'll be taking care of this particular pattern as you can see on the screen, where you need to print a star in a matrix in a 2D metric dimension, which means is what I meant by this is like as you can see in this particular row, you can see 5 star. In the second row, there's a 5 star. Third row, there's a 5 star. Fourth row, 5 star. Fifth row, 5 star. Right. So what you need to do, you need to print the same star using the loop. You need to make a logic in such a fashion that with every iteration it prints a star like a star in this square format. So the let's before we begin, let's understand the intuition behind this. So what is the intuition behind this? As you can see, let's suppose this is a row 0. Let me pick another color. Red will be fine. Let's suppose this is the 0th row. Okay, this is your first row, this is your second row, this is your third row, and this is your fourth row. Okay, and same, this is your 0th column, first column, second column, let me make it a small, second column, third column, and fourth column. Now let's be with me, and we'll tackle how to solve this. So as you can see in my screen, this star in the very first row, in this 0th row, as you can see in the 0th row, we'll focus on the first row initially. Okay, so in the 0th row, as you can see, there is 1 star. In every row there is a 5 star is there, right? In the 0th row, 5 star is there. In the second row, 5 star is there. In the third row, 5 star. In the fourth row as well, 5 star is there. So what you need to do is, we can run a loop which will start from 0, and we will run it till how much? Till less than equals to 4. Or you can do, what you can do is, you can run a loop from 1 till less than equals to less than equals to less than 5, sorry, not less than equals to, less than 5, because in this particular in this particular looping, what you are doing in this particular looping, focus on here, in this particular looping you are starting with the 0th index, and you need to travel till 4, right? Less than equals, so it will be like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in this one, if I make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So you will start with 1 and it will be less than equals to 5, or you can, right, you can do you can take looping in such a fashion also. It's all up to you. Now heading ahead, moving forward, what we are supposed to do is, we'll take a loop. As I have mentioned, we'll take a loop. We'll start with, let's suppose I is equals to 1, right? In this no, I'll take it 0 only, because since I have shown the diagram 0, so we'll take 0. Okay, since I have shown here 0, so we'll take 0. So let's suppose in the ith row, we are picking this ith row, how much star we have to print this particular row? Yes, 5 star, right? So in order to print 5 star in the 0th row, what we are supposed to do, we have written this ith loop which will run from 0 to less than equals to 4, right? Less than equals to 4, right? So but currently we are picking this 0, and this 0th row, how much star we are supposed to print? 5 star. So in order to print 5 star, we need to take another loop also, right? So we'll take another loop. We'll start from 0 and till how much we have to cover? We have to run this jth loop also till 4. So we'll run this jth loop till less than equals to 4. Now within the jth loop, the actual printing is there within the jth loop, because I is equal to 0, ith loop we are taking for the row purpose, and for picking up the row purpose, for picking up the row, and jth loop we are taking for printing the star within that particular row. So initially, from when I is equal to 0 and j is equal to 0, will print star, right? Then we'll iterate 0 or iterate j from 0 to 1, right? Then print another star, then we iterate j and we'll make it 2, then print another star, till how much we have to print? Until and unless this less than j is less than equals to 4. Okay, so when j is equal to 3, we'll print another star, right? When j is equals to 4, we'll print another star, and once j is equals to 5, this entire let me mark this entire, sorry, not this entire, this loop will be finished, right? Now what will be the next step? Next step will be, we need to iterate this I. Now I will be 1, and again j will be, let me erase the j value, where's the size? Yeah, so again, now initially j was 0. Now this row was done, now we'll pick this row. Okay, so j is equals to 1, our cursor is there. When j is equals to 1, we'll print 1 star again. Sorry, j is equal to 0, again j is equal to 0 will be there, but for the second row. For I is equals to 1, we are running for the first row, and again the star. When j is equals to 1 row is there, 1 star is there. When j is equals to 1, again 1 star. When j is equals to 2, again 1 star. Again when j is equals to 3, we'll print again 1 star. When j is equals to 4, we print again 1 star, and vice versa. We'll do this till I is less than equals to 4. So we'll later at the end we'll find this structure. Now let's code this. I'll show you what is the code for this. See, like I mentioned, we'll run a loop from I is equals to 0 to less than n. Here less than n is nothing but 5. Okay, so 5. Okay, so when I is equals to 0, what you will do? Let me just alright, so continue. We'll discuss here only. So now we are running this loop. When I is equal to 0, we'll move here j is equal to 0. Okay, so 0 is less than equals to n, right? Currently n is equals to, let's suppose n is equals to 5. So 0 is less than 5, yes. So star will print here. Okay, so this star will print here. Now j plus plus, j will equals to 1, again star will print here. Same fashion, j plus plus. When j is equals to 2, print here. When j is equals to 3, star will print here. When j is equals to 4, star will print here. Okay, star will print here. Now when j is equals to 5 is not less than 5, right? So this loop will terminate. Now this line will execute. Now when this line execute, so what happened? The cursor you are seeing in this column, in this row, particular row, it will move here. Now again your I will increment from 0 to 1, and again this j loop run for the 5 times, and again your row will print here. Again cursor will move to the next line, again your I will be incremented, and for that next row, third row, j will increment again, they will print again third row, and vice versa. Hence you have to follow the same logic and continue. So okay, so that's all for the today's video, in this particular video, and we'll surely cover the some different pattern question also. And till then, keep watching Handsome Coding, and yeah, take care, goodbye.